If you're experiencing FPS drops on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to help improve performance. This guide provides quick fixes to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update. Download and install any available updates. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any games or applications running in the background. Press the Home button, highlight the game, and press the X button to close it. This can free up resources for better performance. Step 3. Adjust screen brightness. Lowering the screen brightness can help improve performance. Go to System Settings, select Screen Brightness, and adjust the slider to a lower level. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve performance issues. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, then select Save Data Cloud Backup, and choose the option to clear cache. Step 5. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve performance issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select Power Options, and then choose Restart. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance. Enjoy your gaming.